What's up, folks? Fred Castro, and I just got the Galaxy Tab 4 today from Office Depot. I believe I paid $239 for it, and kind of excited to jump into this thing and see how it is. So let's get this unboxing going. Booyah! All right. Okie dokie. Let's see what else we got. Just the usual black USB. All right, seems a little flimsy, really kind of cheap feeling compared to other Samsung devices I have, but okay, not bad. All right. Power button, volume rocker, micro SD, and infrared port. Very nice. Alright folks, the 8-inch Samsung Galaxy Tab 4. Stay tuned for more videos.